Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to do a pregnancy test. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. There may be some questions about pregnancy in your mind, like, may I be pregnant? What are the first signs of pregnancy? How can I do a pregnancy test? Or which ones of pregnancy tests are reliable? We will talk about all of these topics in this video, so stay tuned with us to get your answers. Pregnancy symptoms. Pregnancy signs start from the first week of pregnancy, which is based on the time of your last period. Pregnancy is considered from the time you missed a period. So, your delivery time will be calculated from the first day of your last period. You may not have symptoms from the beginning, and you may have them from the first week. It's different from person to person. Between weeks 1 to 4, you may feel some mild cramping and spotting. The fourth week your period will be missed. If you always have a regular period cycle and suddenly it stops, you may be pregnant. As it is obvious, for those who have an irregular period cycle, it couldn't be considered as a strong symptom of pregnancy. From week 4 or 5 until your child's delivery time, you may feel unusual fatigue. This is one of the earliest symptoms of pregnancy, and its reason is a change in hormone levels. A hormone named progesterone soars, which makes you feel tired or sleepy. Nausea is one of the most common signs of pregnancy. It usually begins after 1 month. A pregnant woman can experience it with or without vomiting. Some people say its cause is the great change in hormones that will happen in the body could be the reason, but there is no scientific evidence for its causes or a definite cure for it. You can feel it at any time of the day, but in the morning it will be more common. Some women can have nausea from the earliest week until the end of their pregnancy, and some women may never experience it. Aching breasts are the other symptom of pregnancy. It is one of the most common side effects of PMS, too. The breasts become very sensitive, sore, and painful. As its cause is hormonal change at the beginning of pregnancy, this symptom will be decreased after a few weeks or less, because the body adjusts itself to it. From week 4 to 6 you may notice your frequent urination. Suddenly, you may find you have to urinate more than usual, and this is because the amount of blood and blood pressure will increase during pregnancy. This process makes your kidneys work more, and as a result, you will have frequent urination. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Pregnancy tests. These tests are based on urine and blood changes during pregnancy. Urine tests are more available and also easier, but blood tests are more reliable. The best way to make sure is that when you have symptoms we mentioned above, you can take a urine test, and if it was positive, and for making sure you can take a blood test. Some homemade pregnancy tests claim that they can have a chemical reaction to HCG. For example, you can do a pregnancy test with sugar, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to urine. If it dissolves quickly, the result is negative. Or you can use vinegar. You can add a cup of white vinegar to half of the cup of urine. If you see a change in color after 5 minutes, it is positive. There are lots of these homemade tests, but there is no study or scientific evidence that can prove or support these ideas. For instance, the change in color in vinegar mixed with urine can happen for many people, even men. So, the reliability of these tests is strongly under question. There are other medical tests available which are more reliable, like urine tests. You can take them from drugstores, and blood tests which can be done in hospital, clinics or doctor's offices. Some more sensitive tests can detect pregnancy even before you miss a period. Urine tests can be done at home, and after the first day, you miss your period. All of these pregnancy tests work on the detection of a hormone named gonadotrophin, which produces about 5-6 days after fertilization. These testing kits claim to have 99% accuracy. The good point about them is that they are very available, they can give you the result very quickly, and also you can do them in private, as well as they are really cheap. And as long as you follow its instructions, they will be 95% accurate. This means a positive test is mostly correct, but negative tests may be less reliable. The test will be reliable if you use it at least 2 weeks after you had intercourse. For using it, you should put its sample application window in your urine, and wait for a few minutes. If only one color band appears, it means that the test is negative. And when 2 lines of color bands appear, the test is positive. And if there is no visible line, repeat the test with another kit. The most reliable test among all of these is blood tests, which should be done in the doctor's office. They can detect pregnancy earlier and more accurately than other tests. Although its result may take longer, you can certainly trust it. There are 2 kinds of blood pregnancy tests: qualitative HCG tests and quantitative HCG tests. Qualitative HCG tests just check the existence of HCG in your blood, and their result will be yes or no. Doctors usually suggest this test to confirm pregnancy, after someone's home test is positive. Quantitative HCG tests or beta HCG tests detect the exact amount of HCG in someone's blood. It measures even a very low amount of it. These tests are useful not only for pregnancy detection but also for detecting pregnancy problems. Doctors often use this test with complementary tests to find out the exact condition of the baby and pregnancy. Being parents is one of the most important parts of everybody's life. It can change your life in every aspect. So, if you are not ready for it yet, every time your period is missed, get a pregnancy test. And notice to use reliable tests, and follow their instructions step by step to have an accurate result. Share your ideas and experiences about pregnancy tests and their reliability with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.